Hello, hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, hello fam. Guys, this video is for those people who are struggling to set their exponential moving averages on their mobile phones, especially the beginners. Guys, some people do make mistakes um, when setting these EMAs up. So I'm here to help you guys, and please, before we go any further, please like the video, subscribe, and comment down below any information about trading you want to know that you think I should like explain to you guys. So let's get it. First thing, all you need to do is open your MetaTrader 5 and go to charts. Like myself, I'm on my charts, and guys, we look for the F sign on the screen. Here's my F sign. You press the F sign, you tap on the F sign, you look for the moving average. You press your moving average, and first thing, on the period, you need to change the period to 5. The first thing, you change it to 5, press next, and done. And then you go to shift. Your shift should be 0, and the method you press exponential. Since they are exponential moving averages, then you apply, you close, and then the style, I usually use 2 megapixels, and then the color, you press yellow. I use yellow, and then you press done. If you look at your charts, you've got a yellow thing going through the you see, and then next thing, you press the F. Here we have got one moving average already, so you press the main chart, and then it will take you to the moving average. You look for moving average. You change the period to this one. You change it to 13, and then next, done. And then your method is exponential. Apply to close. The style 2 pixels, and here you change the color to red. I use red. You press red, guys, red, and we are done. Then next thing, tap on your screen, look for the letter F, you press F, and then we add the moving average, another one. This time you change this to 50, 50. You press next, done. Your shift is going to be 0. Your method is exponential. You apply to close, and then the style 2 pixels. The color, I'm going to be use this water blue, this sky blue. You press done. And next thing, guys, again press F, main chart, and then you add another moving average, and this time is going to be 200, 200. Next, press 0 and shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. The color, this one we're going to be using white. You press white, guys, you're done. See, you've got your 200 EMA, and then lastly you tap again, you add another moving average, period. It's going to be 800, 800. Next, 0. Your shift is 0, exponential. Use exponential. and apply to close style. Then the color, you choose blue, the dark blue, and then you are done. Sorry, yeah, you are done. Yeah, here it is, guys. So this is how your screen will be looking like. So let me start from the beginning. These things we will be using them to trade, and they work hand in hand with the TDI. So if you don't know what a TDI is and how to set a TDI on your phone, please go watch the previous video I made, guys, and have an appreciation of what we'll be like using for our trading. And for your setups, guys, I do post my setups on my Instagram. So go follow me on SPA Mighty. I'm here for you guys. So the yellow, the yellow one, that's our 5 EMA, and then the red one, that's our 13 EMA. These two work, they work hand in hand for their crossovers, and the water, the sky blue one, we use it for the ID50s. We're going to talk about this as we go on. And the white one, that's our Mayo, the 200 EMA, and 800 EMA is called the blueberry. Guys, we must know these things as we go on. We must know, guys. So like, share, subscribe. Please join the firm. We are going to be doing the most trading forex. Um, I'm out, guys. Peace.